Hello, gifted crafters. My name is Nancy with Gifts HQ. I just wanted to wish everyone a wonderful, safe holiday and a happy new year. This year has been amazing, and we started this channel 3 months ago, and we just reached 200 subscribers. We also have thousands of views on our videos. We appreciate your comments and suggestions, so please keep it coming. I love to read each and every one of them. I am blown away with the amazing support we've received, and I truly appreciate everyone. Right now, we have our full tutorials that gives anyone from beginners and beyond step-by-step instructions on how to create your own DIY projects. We also have our crafting life quotes that gives you small doses of inspiration while crafting. And our Did You Know series, which gives you short, fun crafting facts. We have exciting plans for 2022. And I can't wait to get started because we're taking this channel up to another level. So thank you all so much for subscribing and following our journey. For those of you that are new, please come join us and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell because you really don't want to miss out on any of our upcoming videos. I wish you all the best, and I hope to be crafting with you in the upcoming year. Bye!